The fog of war hasn't been lifted, it's been monetized. While the world waits for a press secretary to step behind a podium, the real orders are being telegraphed through buy walls and liquidity spikes on the blockchain. In the shadow of the official narrative, the ledger tells a different truth. War has been decentralized, tokenized, and turned into a high frequency asset class. On February 28, 2026, 71 minutes before the first US Israeli missiles struck Tehran, a single wallet known as Magamiman bought into a 17% probability event. By the time the first explosion was confirmed, an $87,000 bet had liquidated for $553,000. It wasn't a lucky guess, it was an execution order on a blockchain. The pattern repeated on March 1st. As debris from an Iranian interception struck the exterior of the Burj Al Arab, global markets were in shock, except for a cluster of Virgin wallets on Polymarket. These accounts had spent the preceding 4 hours aggressively shorting Gulf stability contracts, cashing in while the glass was still falling in Dubai. Even peace is a trait. On April 8th, the 2-week truce was intended to be a guarded diplomatic secret, yet trading volume on ceasefire contracts spiked by 400% hours before the official cables were even sent. The insiders didn't just know peace was coming, they had already priced it in. Now we are approaching the April 15 truce deadline. The ultimate resolution point is now set for April 15th. This is the date when millions of dollars in prediction contracts will either pay out or evaporate based on the success of the current truce. It is a $4.2 million financial wall. This is the resolution point for the largest war prediction pool in history. The soldiers might be holding their breath, but the bots are already executing the next move. If you want to know when the next bomb drops, stop watching the headlines and start watching the wallet addresses. Welcome to the unseen markets.